Faith, 4 years ago when you first came into my life, I knew in an instant that I had found the right person for me. Your beautiful smile and loving eyes light up every room you walk in. You are the most caring and loving person with the biggest heart that I have ever met. I knew from the moment you asked me to go mule deer hunting with you after we had only been dating for 2 months that I was undoubtedly going to marry you.
I really like you, you can totally tell, 'cause I can't hide it very well. There's a rumor going round and I'm hoping it's true, that you really like me too.
Faith has given her heart to a wonderful young man.
The way that you take care of Faith, you listen to her, you understand her, you make her laugh, and you love her undeniably. We can all see that. And as a best friend, it's one of the greatest things I've ever been able to witness.
Yeah, time kept it ticking and we're still going strong. We got the kind of love that goes on and on and on. There's no end in sight, a never ending view is all I see when I'm looking at you.
Luke, from the moment I met you, I knew there was something special about you. I love the way that we just go together. From hunting clothes to dressed up nights, from long hot hunts to late night talks. As long as I have you, all is right in my world.
I've always known we were going to be together through the highs and the lows, even if it takes me getting run over by a few cows along the way. Today marks the beginning of our forever together. You are my rock, my biggest cheerleader, and most of all, my best friend.
A match made in heaven, lit a flame, called it burning love. Never gonna fade, growing older, look good on us.
Now, it's no secret to anyone here that Faith is something truly special. From the moment she came into Luke's life, it was clear she wasn't just a perfect match for him. And when I heard that Faith had land in West Texas with mule deer on it, I knew Luke was hooked.
I promise to love you with honesty, grace, maybe just a little bit of sass when it's needed.
I promise to support you with all of my heart for the rest of my life. I love you more than words can describe, and I can't wait to see you soon.
You're my person, my home, and my forever best friend. With all that I am, I promise to love you forever and always. Now let's go get married. I love you.
A whole life spent with you just ain't enough time. So darling, if you wouldn't mind, no, if you wouldn't mind.
To Mr. and Miss Parrish.
Here's to a lifetime of happiness, fishing trips, golf games, and West Texas mule deer hunts.
To a lifetime of laughter and love, and hopefully lots of babies for Claire Bear to spoil.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Luke Parrish.
Can I take you on a date, baby? Later we can stay out late, turn the sunset into midnight, dancing in the headlights till the battery's low and we don't care. If we get stuck there, we're walking under stars back home. Your hand in my hand when that first time feeling comes again. I wanna take you out on a date that never ends. Oh, I wanna take you out on a date that never ends.